What's up, guys? This is Closer Dragon, and today, are you wondering why I have a marker and I have a hammer thing, knife, file? Alright, you need to get the point. Knife, marker, hammer. Why? I want to know what's inside a marker. I mean, how does this just kind of go? Write stuff on it, and the ink just comes out of nowhere. We know what's here, but what's in here? This is supposed to be what's inside, but, whatever. Alright, so, this marker's is supposed to be dried out. It's supposed to be. I think so. I think it's dried out. Yeah, nothing. Nope. It should be dried out, so there shouldn't be too much of a disaster. Alright, let's see here. This is actually really tinny. It's a hammer. So you know how a hammer, it's good at one thing and sucks at everything else. Good at nailing and stuff, but it's bad at screwing things in and pretty much anything else like that. Well, this specific hammer can do that, you know, I'll just make it in time. But that's another video. Okay, so we'll take the knife out. Got it. I penetrated it. It's not wanting to go much further, so I stabbed it. Fail. This might be a little harder than I thought. Sharpen my knife. It should be pretty sharp or something like that. There we go. Groove in, open it up, and see what's in here. And making sure there's nothing on the knife, just in case it isn't, I don't know, dried out. So, we have a dilemma. It doesn't want to open. I think so. I think if we can get there, I'm gonna put the knife away before that. No knife is needed. What about the back part off? What if I took this part off, and then we could pull out what's inside? Alright, that's off. Oh. There we go. Take the hammer. Oh yeah, there's... Oh. Oh crap, it's not dry. Oh no. I'm just gonna put it like that. Because apparently, I was wrong. This marker is almost as old as I am. And still, it's... Alright. That's how they stay. So now I know why it's not dried out. I'm not going to attempt to cut this open. I squeeze that. It's not... Yeah, ink comes out. That's how it works. Okay, look in here. Alright, camera. This is my new tool. I'm using the tripod too, so let's see here. Alright, so let's see if there's a light I can use. Insert it. Then I'll have to pull this out. I know I can see it, but I don't think you guys can. So it looks like it's time to use the knife again. I'm just gonna... By the way, I won't ever be using this marker again. This marker's dry anyways. Well, supposedly. So, I'm gonna take the screwdriver, just jam it in there. Okay, that actually worked. Okay, so I see now. If you can see in here, this is as torn apart as it's gonna get. You see in here, that goes in there. As you can see up here. there's a hole in there, and that goes in there. And when you turn it, to right, all the ink there's supposed to be like a ton of ink flows in there down to here. I see now. My hands are alright. I'm just gonna put them back in there. Alright, or not. Well, alright. So now we know what's inside a marker. Sharpies are probably more expert. I'm not gonna take a hard Sharpie. I like my Sharpies. Alright. Well, looks like we know what's inside a marker. I really didn't know that. I didn't know the full thing. I'm gonna go. Oh boy. So I guess the tip wasn't dry either. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you and goodbye. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Please like and subscribe. Another video will be out soon. Goodbye. I'm gonna go wash my hands and probably get mad because this is not dry. Goodbye.